Welcome to another one of our easy cartoon drawing lessons. In today's lesson we're going to have a go at using a pear shape to create a hippo. He's going to be a friendly hippo. So the first thing we need to draw is our pear shape. Now a pear shape is like one circle stacked on top of another bigger circle. So it's like two circles. So we're going to draw it like this. I'm going to do a line, curve it in. Give him a nice big body, curve it, and then back to the top. If that's a little bit hard, you can draw that circles that I just drew. There's a small one and then a bigger one. And then you can just rub out in the middle there. And you'll have a pear shape, but you just need to curve these. So you could do that if you like. Or you could just have a go at doing one freehand and see how you go. Okay, so this top part here is going to be where we're going to add in his face and his head. So the next bit we're going to draw in is his nose. Now it's quite big. We're not going to give our hippo a little nose like that. And I'm not necessarily going to give him a big nose like that, even though you could if you wanted to. That could work. But I'm going to give him sort of a big nose, but make it fairly cartoony, but still look like it belongs to the body. So I'm going to do a nice big shape like that. So drawing, it's almost like an oval shape, but I'm not adding anything onto the ends here. That's going to become his mouth there. So I'll do it once more for you. I'm drawing it. And every time can be a bit different, so it's almost like you redraw it a few times sometimes if you want to, just to get it the way you imagine it. So I like that. I'm going to add a cheek on the end of that line, and there's my nose added into the face. So at the moment it doesn't look quite right until we get rid of the side of the pear shape, or his body, inside the nose, and then we've got his nose sitting on top. Okay, so we're going to add some nostrils into our nose, and to do that I'm just going to do some nice big circles. So I draw them like this. We're going to draw them across the nose like this. Can add some curve lines on top, and then if you want to even, you can colour that in black, or you could do a little line like that, and it will make it look like you're seeing the edge of his nose there. Okay, so let's add some eyes in. Now you could add little eyes in because hippos don't have very big eyes. That could work, but to me it looks a little bit weird and I want to make him look more friendly, so I'm going to make his eyes a little bit bigger. And then inside I'm just going to do some black circles with a little bit of white inside. You can even draw them as a circle if you wanted to. And then do another circle inside and colour it in a bit. Like that. We'll add some eyebrows. And we've done our face. We just need to add some ears now. So hippo ears are quite interesting. We're just going to do this sort of shape. Just a small little shape like this. So it's like this. It's almost like a triangle shape. Rounded off. And then inside that shape, I'm just going to add the same shape again, just for something different. Just add a little bit of detail. I'm going to rub out where it joins the head so it looks all joined up. Okay, so let's add his legs in. So to do his legs, I'm going to create these legs using rectangle shapes. And these are good legs for elephants and rhinos as well. And of course, he's got very big legs. So I'm going to do one line down like this. And another line down like that. So draw that for me. And then on the bottom you can do a straight line if you want to, or a curved line like this, which I quite like. So we've done one line down, and then a straight line across, or a curved line. So for the other leg we're going to draw it like this because it's sort of going behind the first one. So I'm going to do one line down like this. And then I'm going to do the curved line across like that. So it's sort of next to the first one. So I'll do that again for you. One line down and then a curved line across like that. And then we're just going to add in some little curved shapes for his toenails. Now to make sure this looks like it's joined to the body, I'm going to get my eraser and just rub out a little bit of the body to the edges of the legs so it looks like it's all joined up. So let's add one arm in here. Again, I'm going to do the same thing, and you can go ahead and add yours if you want to. And then I'm going to make this one curve up a bit. Curve line across like he's waving. And of course I'd add my nails on like that. Okay, so we need to add a tail, and to do the tail is quite easy. We're going to do a little spiky bit like that, which will work quite well. That would work on its own, or you could do like a little leaf shape, do some lines in and look a bit bushy. And there's our hippo. It looks very friendly even though he's so big. Now to finish off our character, we could add some teeth. So you could add these sort of teeth in, which will make him look much more silly than maybe you want, but you could do that. Or you could add some buck teeth in if you wanted to, where we draw in a square shape and then add in a line like that. So I'll show you that again. I drew that over the body. So square shape, sort of down the centre of the nose here, down between the nostrils. I'm sort of putting it, and then we just rub out inside the tooth shape, and we can add our tooth in. Now you could add that at the beginning as well when you're drawing it before you go and do the arms and legs. Okay, and just to finish off, we can add some ground, and we could add some reeds because they're normally in water. Another name for hippos is water horse. That's what they're also called. I think hippo might even mean water horse. And we can add a little bit of lines for some texture on the body if you want to. Just here and there. And there's our very friendly hippo. You could even make him waving with some action lines. So I hope you had some fun doing that character using the pear shape. Make sure and share your picture with people around you so they can get pleasure from your character and a bit of a laugh. Maybe if you make it into a cartoon and add a speech bubble, you might want him saying something funny. You can add in background and more animals so it looks like he's in the jungle or Africa or wherever you want him to be. And please feel free to leave a comment if you've enjoyed this lesson and let me know what you enjoyed about it, if you've got any other characters you'd like me to show you how to draw. And please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Easy Cartoon Drawing School, for more free lessons, to be notified when they're up. And there's one-on-one lessons online available. And also we have a Facebook group where you can come and post your pictures and get feedback and do all other sorts of fun things in that group, learning about cartooning. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, doing a hippo using a pear shape, and happy cartooning.